Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to change app icons on iPhone. This process is easy and fast. Now let's get started. First we need to find app which is called Shortcuts and open it. Now we should tap on the plus at the top right corner. Then we need to tap on blue button Add Action. And at the search bar we need to write Open App and choose it. Now near Open we need to tap on word App. Here we should scroll down or do a research at the top and find app which you would like to change icon. For example, I will find Messages and just tap on it. Then at the top we should tap on Settings icon. In the appearance menu, just click on Add to Home screen. Now we can change the name and icon of the app. If you want to change icon, just tap on icon and here you can choose the way of uploading. I will choose photo from library. Just select your photo and click choose at the bottom. When you finished, tap on Add at the top right corner. And now you can just see your new icon at the home page and open it. And that's all. It was how to change app icons on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.